Yeah, so there's a lot of acronyms out there. BPM is Business Process Management. It is a discipline. It is a set of disciplines, really, that have to do with understanding your processes, measuring them, controlling them, improving them, and doing that on a continuous improvement basis. Now, there's all sorts of other acronyms. There's BPI, BPR, BPMN, BPMS. The two that are most commonly confused, I find, are BPM and BPMS. So if you're a technology vendor or you're in IT, BPM to you is a software. When really that's BPMS, which is where the S stands for software or suite, I suppose some people, BPM suite. And there are products out there that will automate your workflow, and they will do business activity monitoring, and they will do reporting. All the functionality is part of what a BPM suite should offer. Do you want to say a little bit more about BPI and BPR? Or
BPI, Business Process Improvement, so just another offshoot of, and BPR, Business Process Reengineering or Reassessing. It could be a lot of different.
Kind of mean the same thing.
Yep.
Business process improvement is sometimes more incremental. Business process reengineering is something, those are more fundamental changes, but they're all part of the latest one is BPM, right? Business Process Management.
Because BPM, I think, has become more of the standard acronym that you hear just from the standpoint of, I think, because KPIs and measurements have become so popular too over the course of the last, I don't know, probably 5 to 10 years, right? So that's part of it. It's once you've gotten something improved or to an improvement standpoint that you want to reach, then you want to continuously measure that to make sure that you're staying on top of, keeping your process moving. And so the measurement stick will be able to guide you as far as, do we need to go back and do any more improvement looks or reassessing?
But BPM is an ongoing thing. It's not something you do once and go, okay, I've redesigned my processes, I'm done. So it does have that ongoing, okay, you've redesigned them, now you've implemented them, now you have your indicators, measure them, and continuously improve. Monitor. It used to be, okay, my BPR initiative's done, check, check, check. And now it's much more of an ongoing philosophy.
And the question kind of circles back to the first question that we went over in terms of the automation piece. So the other cautionary note is probably not to jump right into the BPMS pool right off the bat, because that's another thing that I've seen a couple of different times now in terms of, we need to do something about our processes. Let's go look at this vendor's suite, business process management suite of tools, and just go, hook, line, and sinker, buy them and start looking at implementing them, and it's not even giving you
don't pick
a tenth of what you want to do.
Don't pick the top product in the Gartner Magic Quadrant because it's the top product in the Gartner Magic Quadrant. Pick the product that fits your budget. It fits what your ability is to actually implement it, and it suits your product, your processes, and your industry. Because there are sledgehammer products out there, and then there are scalpel laser products out there. And you got to pick the one that fits.
And fits your strategy.
Yes.
Right? Your goals.